Hi, my name is Heather, and today we're going to talk about ISBNs, whether you should go with a free ISBN from Amazon KDP or IngramSpark, or whether you should purchase your own. By the way, since I'm in the US, this video is geared towards those of you that are in the US. I know that in some other countries you can get a free ISBN, but I don't know all the details about it. So if you're in a country other than the US, you'll just have to research that stuff for yourself. Or you can also join my creativity club and ask there, because I know there are some people in my creativity club on Facebook from other countries who have published books and have gotten free ISBNs, so that might be helpful as well. First of all, what is an ISBN? ISBN stands for International Standard Book Number, and this is a 13-digit number that identifies your book in the huge database of all of the books that are published. It's similar to a UPC code. If you were to take a product off of the shelf in a store and scan it with your phone barcode scanner, then you would see that it has a unique code, and it would bring up that product from all different websites. So like Walmart, Target, and all the different places that you could find that product. So that product has its own unique identifier in a big database that all of the stores pull from. That is the same way that the ISBN works for books. Your book is going to have its own specific number, and then Amazon, Barnes and Noble, independent bookstores, they're all going to know that that number is associated with your book. And when they look up that number, they will find all of the details of your book. So whether it's a paperback or a hardcover, the number of pages, the description of the book, the categories that the book falls under, all of that stuff is available through the ISBN. Now, should you go with a free ISBN or should you pay for one? The answer, unfortunately, isn't super straightforward. It depends on your circumstances. So I'm just going to talk through this with you, and then it'll be a choice that you'll have to make for yourself. If you're publishing with Amazon KDP or IngramSpark, both of those publishers offer their own free ISBN. And this is a great option if you're just starting out and you just need things to be easy and you don't have a big budget, then this can be a really good option for you. The main drawback with using a free ISBN is that you're tied to that publisher. So for example, if you go on Amazon KDP and publish there and use their free ISBN, then you can't go and publish that same book over on IngramSpark. And vice versa, if you get your ISBN free from IngramSpark, then you can't go and publish that book on KDP. And I'll talk about why that's important later on in the video. The other thing that happens when you use the free ISBN is that the imprint, which is the publisher name that shows up in the whole big ISBN database for your book, is going to be specific to Amazon KDP or IngramSpark. So if you self-publish with Amazon KDP, then the imprint is just going to say independently published for the publisher. And if you publish with IngramSpark, it'll show up as IndiePub. Now, let's talk about purchasing your own ISBN. If you want to purchase your own ISBN, you would do it through the Bowker's website. Bowker is the official ISBN agency for publishers that are located in the United States and its territories. When you purchase your own ISBN, you are essentially becoming the publisher. So you get to choose your publisher name that goes under imprint name. And of course, you also have full publishing rights of your book. So you can publish to KDP, IngramSpark, and anywhere else that you would want to publish. And the reason why this can be a great thing is because if you publish on both Amazon KDP and IngramSpark, then you're getting the benefits of both platforms. When people purchase from Amazon, then you can have it be served up with Amazon KDP, and that way the user will get it just within 2 days using Prime shipping, and it'll be super fast. But then when you also publish it on IngramSpark, it'll be available via Ingram, which is the big website that all of the bookstores use to order their books from. So if you were to go into a little independent bookstore and show them your book, they could then go to Ingram and order copies of your book. The biggest drawback to purchasing your own ISBN is the price. A single ISBN costs a whopping $125. So that's a lot of money that you would hopefully make up with book sales. Personally, I really don't sell a ton of books, so it would be really hard for me to make up that money with book sales. You do get a discount if you purchase more. So if you get 10 ISBNs, then the price does go down some, but you're still paying a lot out of pocket in the end for all of those ISBNs. There is another option, and that's purchasing from a reseller. And I don't have any experience purchasing from resellers, so I can't really speak to that too much. But basically, what they do is they'll buy a ton of ISBNs from Bowker in bulk, and that way they get the ISBNs for really cheap. And then you purchase a single ISBN from them for maybe like $20 to $30. And the imprint that will show up on your book for the publisher is going to be whatever the publisher name is for those resellers. So they'll have it on their website somewhere for what the name of it would be, and that's what would show up on your book. And the difference with this is that they allow you to then use that ISBN on both KDP and IngramSpark and wherever else you want. However, there is an element of trust here, because if this person were to shut down their shop and go offline, then you would have no way to update your book details in Bowker or anything like that. You would just be out of luck. So they do hold a lot of control in that way. So I would just kind of do it with caution, and just know that if you do it, you're doing it at your own risk. But if you do that, let us know in the comments and let us know what your experience is, because I think it would be really helpful for everyone. I don't know offhand any people who have done this, so if people could share their experience, that would be great. So in a nutshell, if you're starting out, you're just a beginner and you don't have a huge budget, then it's probably fine to use a KDP ISBN. Also, if this is just kind of a starter book for you and you're just kind of getting your feet wet, but if this is like a huge monumental project that really means a lot and you have the money to spend and you think that this is going to change the world and end up in bookstores everywhere, then as long as you have the budget, then you may as well go ahead and order an ISBN from Bowker. So it's really up to you. You just have to weigh those options for yourself. That's it for ISBNs. If you're working on your own children's book, join my Creativity Club on Facebook, and you can ask any questions there, and you can get advice and feedback on your book. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And as always, you can email me at heather@heathercash.com. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so I know to make more videos like this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.